While having perfect alignment is really, really helpful for handstands, it just doesn't make it accessible for everyone. The way that I learned handstands was with very, very strict Russian coaches. For about an hour straight, all we were allowed to do was to tuck to handstand, come down. Tuck to handstand, maybe straighten your legs if you're allowed to, which will get you a perfect handstand, but honestly, it's just not that much fun. So if you're in a place where you don't have super open shoulders, by doing this technique, you might not ever make it to handstand, and that's not our goal here. So another style of balancing is to do a little bit more of what we call the contortion style of balancing. This allows our shoulders to be pushed forward, and we actually arch our back to find our balance. So I'll show you a bit of what that looks like. If I go into handstand, I personally prefer a stag position because it's very easy for me to balance this way. You also can very easily go from your contortion style into your stacked handstand. But to make it more clear, I'll show you with my legs bent towards my head. So I'll allow my shoulders to go forwards, and I'll allow my back to arch, so that this way I can find my balance point and play around with finding float until I'm able to get up into that straight position. The most important thing is to spend time on your hands and have fun.